Hi, I'm Mark Kroll, Product Manager for Montana Fifth Wheels, and I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Montana High Country 380TH. TH stands for toy hauler. This floor plan is very unique because it's a front living room fifth wheel with a toy hauler in the back for a motorcycle or a golf cart. So starting in the front, this is a front living room fifth wheel. It's got our patented automotive windshield on the front. We've got the shade down right now, but behind that shade, you've got a beautiful windshield, which will offer a great view out onto the campground or wherever you have this fifth wheel parked. In front of that, we've got a 50-inch LED TV on a lift, so I can bring that up for viewing. Of course, we've got the entertainment center and fireplace below. Fantastic entertainment center and front end on this fifth wheel. One of the great things about front living room fifth wheels, especially the Montana front living room fifth wheels, is the furniture configuration. So this does have two 70-inch hide-a-bed sofas. They can both be opened for extra sleeping space if you have guests. And of course, the two-person theater seat parked directly across from the TV for an optimal viewing angle. Don't have to turn your head when you recline in these comfortable theater seats. Let's move downstairs. This floor plan has a surprisingly large amount of countertop space and storage. So moving through here, we've got a nice uninterrupted countertop space. If you want to increase that workable space, we do have flush mount sink covers that will go onto the sink here. Of course, we've got the flush mount glass cover. Great storage above the countertop up here for all your kitchen items. Bank of 4 drawers and some below storage cabinets as well. Over here, we have the 12 cubic foot 4-door RV refrigerator. This is gas and electric. Okay, so the 380TH will have the RV refrigerator, gas and electric. The exact same floor plan with a residential floor plan is called the 381TH, and that will come equipped with the 18 cubic foot Samsung residential refrigerator. So 380TH RV refrigerator, 381TH electric residential refrigerator. Freestanding dinette and 4 chairs. We do also offer a booth dinette in this space. One of the nice things about this area is the booth spot is larger, so you've got a little bit more dining space around this table. And last thing we'll point out before we leave the kitchen area is this extra countertop space we have here. A lot of our customers do order the toy hauler with the generator prep, and the start controls are right here, and of course the hour meter as well. Let's go upstairs and check out the bathroom and bedroom. So one of the great things about this floor plan, of course, is going to be the pivot hinge bathroom door, which opens up and allows us easy access to the bathroom. Like all Montana High Countries, this has a seamless fiberglass shower and a seamless countertop on the vanity, and of course a porcelain toilet. Great space, great usage in that bathroom there. Follow me into the bedroom here. The 380 and 381TH is queen bed only. Okay, it is a north-south bed because one of the great features on this floor plan is below this bed is the garage. So this bed, actually we have space carved out below it where you can put a motorcycle or a golf cart. Okay, when you want to put a golf cart with a lid on here, this whole bed mechanism will raise up. It is important to note that when you have the bed raised up, the bed is only to be slept on in the down position. We do not want you to sleep on the bed in the up position. Now also we have the stackable washer dryer compartment right here in the bedroom. So if there's a fifth wheel that you want to put a 2-piece washer dryer or a combo washer dryer, it is equipped for that. For more information on Montana High Country fifth wheels, please visit KeystoneRV.com. Thanks.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.